Question everything, trust nothing, except for your boy CryptoKeeper. Hopefully everyone is doing well today. It's Trading Wars, baby. I got two of my favorite gentlemen backstage ready to rock out. It's going to be super exciting. If you guys have not already smashed the like on the way in, fix that problem. That's the most simple thing you can do to support the stream. I appreciate all of the support. If you're here for Face, hey, show that support. If you're here for Crow, show that support. Let's have some fun and let's get it on. For those of you that don't know how the rules work, it's really simple. Shout out to my sponsors. Let me actually downsize my screen here right quick. Shout out to the sponsors. First of all, Fairdesk for giving all of the liquidity for the show. Each of the traders has got 10 grand. I think Crow is actually a little lower than that since he had a little bit of a little snafu the other day on Monday, which is why he's here in the Gulag against CryptoFace. But they're able to trade anything that's available on the exchange. They have to execute on trades throughout the show. And that's really it, right? We're not going to do the shitcoin wheel today on the 1v1s. It's just going to be straight up trading. We're going to have some fun, talk about some charts, talk about crypto. Who knows? With Face on here and Crow on here, the conversations could get a little wild. So strap in. We're going to have some fun. Also, shout out to TONALD on TON. I am on the team over there. If you're looking for the TON ecosystem and a Trump coin, the Trump coin on TON, check out TONALD on TON. That's tonald.io. And then shout out to Market Cypher, the premier indicator. If you guys aren't on Market Cypher, what are you doing with your lives? It is the indicator of choice, so make sure to check that out. I've got my links down below the stream. All right, without further ado, before I get into the chat, let's bring the two gentlemen up. First and foremost, well, actually, I could bring them both up at the same time. Let's get them on here. Face and Crow, what's up, gents?
What up?
Yo. Glad to see you, gentlemen. Excited about the stream today. Let me ask. So I put it into the chat. I have not looked at the poll yet. Crow, when you came in, you told Face to strap in. You ready to put a beating on him? What's going on? Let's hear it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna pretend he's a tall football player and try and
and try to just
I've been sitting here ready to crack some jokes, but I don't want you to get mad at me.
Yeah, no.
As soon as strap-on came up, I'm like, okay, this is a family show. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, it's a family show. But damn, Keeper, you're looking orange as fuck, bro. You're orange as hell. You're like Donald Trump, bro.
Well, listen. Let me downside. Hold on a second. Let me change. Here we go. Maybe this will help. Oh, was that a little bit better? I changed.
Bro,
the
you're
light.
full on Speedo, bro. You're full on like you're wearing Speedos at the beach.
It looks like he's on the Donald Trump tan plan.
Damn. Do you know? True story. I have not tanned in a long time, but I do get a little orange. So
yeah, I've never seen that before outside of Trump. That's kind of interesting.
Yeah,
bro. Is that all natural? You look like a bum, bro. You look no, you got like a. You don't look like a bum. You look great. But I'm saying. You got the bum of it. You got the tan of a bum, bro. It's.
I think if you see me in person, it's a little less orange. Maybe it's the screen helping me out here.
Could be the lighting.
But well, you've seen me in person before. I probably look orange too. No big deal. Let me shout out the chat real quick. Let me jump into the chat real quick. I want to kick it off. Who was first in here? Kalichi, I think is maybe how you say that. First in the chat. Good to see you. Listen, caffeinated crypto. Cheers. Got my coffee. Actually, hold on a second. If you guys want to see,
I'm already in a trade, and I'm.
If you guys want to see Keeper, Marine Corps Keeper without a beard.
Damn, that's you.
Yeah,
is that your grandpa?
That's me, and then this is Grandpa Keeper right here. All right, cool. But yeah, no. What I was getting at was cheers to caffeinated crypto. I want to start it off with a joke because Enrique always tells us a good joke. I think you guys will appreciate this one. Good morning. My girlfriend has been really upset lately. She's upset because I turn everything she says into a sexual innuendo. When she asked me why I won't stop, all I could say is it's really hard. Shout out to you.
That's a good one.
Glad to see you, bro. We got a bunch of people in the chat. David Brumbelow in the chat. Good to see you. Bullish Bradley. Who else we got up in here? We got a bunch of Alex O. Crypto in the house. Did well last season in Trading Wars. Trade Intuition. He's on the stream this season. Glad to see you. We got a bunch of people in the chat. We're going to have some fun today. All right. So, Crow, you said you're already in a trade. What'd you jump into? Let me guess. Bitcoin or Cardano?
I just shorted. I shorted Bitcoin. I'm up about $120 so far.
Ooh, he's starting off hot face. He's starting off hot face.
$20, bro.
He's starting off hot. His whole bag's on there.
Damn. Did you fucking start a trade before the show started?
Nope.
What happened here?
I went bing and I went in.
He went 100x on his whole bag.
Did you got? What did you get? What's your entry?
I only did 10x though. I'm like, well, I figured this is make it or break it for me. So I rolled the dice.
So hold on, are you whole bag 10x right now?
Huh?
Do you ag on 10x right now?
Yeah. Negative 1.451 Bitcoin.
You say you got about a $90,000 trade in there, something like that?
Yeah.
All right, there it is, Face. You're gonna have to get that strap on to work your way out of it.
Yeah, he's got the strap on right now.
He's trying to give it to you.
He's got the strap on right now. I'm still looking.
Face, did you have any successful trades last couple days, or how's the market been treating you? I know you're always up trading at weird hours, and I catch you at like 4 in the morning.
I think I saw him at like 3 a.m. trading $5 million or something. I don't know. I saw the thing come up.
Yeah, the trade today I exited at my entry. I mean, I could have gotten out and made like 50K a couple times, but I wanted to stream. No excuses. I knew it was like kind of a late long, and I just kept the loss small. Just got out, paid the fees, and lost 10 grand. But besides that, it's probably the best trading for me these past good few weeks in years, maybe like 2 years. It's been a year since I've gone like on a run like I'm going on right now. So it's good
Face,
stuff.
I'll kick it off with you, Face. I know you're looking for some trades, but if you wouldn't mind, will you show me what kind of you're seeing with Bitcoin, what Market Cypher's telling you on Bitcoin right now, kind of on a macro level?
I do mind because I'm already down $100. I mean, I can try. Okay. I'm like frantically flopping and groping, looking for an answer here. You know what I'm saying?
Here, I'll give you a minute. Let me jump in. I'll show the market caps, and then I'll take a look at some volume profiles here real quick while you're.
There's a lot of sell pressure at like. Damn. It's just bouncing off all the sell pressure at like 63.9, and it's just
Man, I don't think it's got the juice for like a long. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like it's got like I know like the hourly is bearish, but it is kind of tipping. It's against this spider line. I'll share my screen. Let me share my screen because this is real time.
Yeah, educate the viewers.
This is what we're paying for. This is what they're paying for.
This is
all right. Let's see here. Share screen.
And for everybody in the chat, if you do want to support the stream and also have a chance to make it some money, I am putting everybody's names that gives super chats onto the wheel for the next time we play Flipper Hodl. There's $6,500 on the line the next time we play Flipper Hodl. So just throwing that out there. Somebody's going to win that fat bag at some point. We got Crypto Blood in the house. One of my favorites. What's up,
What up, Blood?
You, bro?
All right.
What up, Blood?
Let's see.
All right, cool.
Here.
You are shared, good sir.
Okay, let's see here.
What's all those wiggly lines everywhere?
What's all the bright squiggly lines?
Yeah, the hourly money flow coming down, momentum was coming down. I mean, like in like the price action has followed it. Like the move has happened. It's literally to the dollar bounced off one of my main support resistance, my spider lines right here. By the sounds of it, just by the sounds of it, I could be blind. But I
think you're showing a different stream. I think you're showing a different
grandfather experience. Tell me, Crow shorted at 63.9 or something. He kind of got in good right here. Might be flipping over too. I would like to long. I wish I was long.
Face, I think you're showing a different screen.
Range, you know what I'm saying? Money flow's coming up great.
Face, I think you're showing a different screen.
Are great. I've been killing this price action up and down, but it's at a time where it's got a today. It's cruise control. Sell off and sideways day. And so I think Crow's doing the right thing overall by shorting. How long do we have on this show today?
You have an hour and a half. I think you were showing a different screen though, Face. You've got a static screen.
Really?
I didn't see any spider lines. I didn't see any spider lines unless I just can't see.
All right.
Now I see. Now I see you moving.
I've drawn diagrams. I'm presenting things.
No,
okay, let's see here.
I think you were just looking at it different.
Thank you for telling me. Okay, let's see here.
No worries.
I'm up $300 now.
Oh boy, hey Crow, you might want to take some profits, bro. Just throwing it out
take
there.
some profits, bro. Take some profits, bro. $300.
He's up $300. He's going hard.
I shared my screen. You can look at it if you want to see some green lines.
Yeah, let me try to get a trade in. Since I'm fucking up everything here.
Oh, it's pulling back a little bit on me now.
You are up $286 unrealized P&L. That's a big trade, bro. That's a
fantastic. Yeah, if I were to close the market, the fees will eat it all up, so I won't have made anything.
Today's the cold day in hell, maybe.
Fairdesk is good on the
yeah, the fees aren't as bad, no, but on a 10x with that much, it gets pricey.
Oh, there will be a fee on it. There's no doubt about that.
All right, I'll go ahead and quick close it out at 219 just so that I have some green.
Nice.
Now, what happens? Let's say, because the rules are always different, kind of every season. You make it fun. So let's say if Crow does make it out of this alive, he's having a good start.
Yep.
He just goes back on the show normally, or how does it work?
Yeah, so basically this is his do or die. If he beats you today, you're going to stay. You're the Gulag monster, right? And he's going to go back into the Monday rotation just like everybody else. He's not at a disadvantage at that point. He won his way out, and he would be back there. And then ultimately, Face, you're going to be able to – you're basically going to be the menace this season. So you're going to be in the finals as well. So people got to deal with you all freaking season. So we're going to have some fun with it.
I appreciate that. I'm glad that you're finally, breaking off the double champ, something that he deserves. You know what I'm saying? So I like this Gulag idea.
Well, shout out to you. I think the actual Gulag comment and the ideas were when you and I were chatting. So I think it was.
Oh, that's right. I came up with the idea.
I think it was your idea to begin with. So it definitely was.
I got a red X from
you exited that trade, huh? You got out of it, huh?
Yeah, he did. He did.
I got out of it.
$229, I think.
300, but whatever.
What the fuck?
$229 P&L. That's a great win.
God.
Right off the bat.
How long is the show today?
Till 1:30. Or I mean till 2:30. So an hour and 18 minutes.
Right now.
It's 1:12. So an hour and 18 minutes you got. And Face, I've still heard people from seasons ago talking about the cat move that you made. I think it was on
I wonder if that coin's on here. Man, that shit was my bread and butter, bro. That
tore people apart with that.
I might have to look at some shit coins here because I'm getting desperate. Ooh, what's this? Let's take a look at this. But sometimes these don't have the volume. But we're only trading with we're not trading with too much money, so we might be able to make something happen.
So Bitcoin's at 63,766. It's up 10, almost 11% on the week, but we're looking at shorter time frames right now. Bitcoin's up 0.4% on the hour. ETH at 34.10, up 0.7. I'm going to pull crypto bubbles here in just a second. I'm trying to see if there's any big movers right off the bat without looking at the bubbles. Let me see here. Let me go over to the bubbles. Let's check out the crypto bubbles. Let's see what's going on. Okay, WIF looks like it's moving. It's up about 10%. WorldCoin down 11.4%. That's a mover. Let's see. XRP doing XRP things, going back the other direction, down 6.9%. It looks like the biggest movers are WIF, or MNT, Rune, WorldCoin, Shiba. Those are some of the
let's see here.
Movers right now.
Okay.
Let's see here. Let's see what Bitcoin be looking like. Are we going to come back into this range? So I pulled a volume profile from a week ago.
I don't like
the setup
this right now. It's like I'm gonna have to get in and get out, dude. It's like we're gonna have to get in and get out.
Are you about to degen at like 30x to try and beat me? Face, you should do that.
I might. I was thinking about it. Damn, now it's going.
We're gonna do some real deal scalping gonna be happening today.
I like the one-on-one thing more than like 10 different people because I didn't really pay attention to anything last show. I'm not gonna lie. But against Face, it's like a worthy opponent, so I'm actually have to try. Not that the other guys aren't worthy, but it's just
backtrack it, backpedal.
We're just nobody.
No, it's more personal when it's like a fight. It's like if you're training against you're gonna fight the heavyweight champ or something. It's like, all right, I'm gonna get for real. But like, if you got just like a room full of drunk assholes, you just like, let's do it. We'll see what happens.
The next group of drunk assholes, ladies and gentlemen, will be on Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Hey, who says I wasn't having some whiskey in the shower today?
Well,
you'd know because I don't shower that often.
Damn it reversed. It's probably about the tank.
Well, are you back into a trade or
no, not yet?
Yeah, are you back into a trade, bro?
$20 super chat from Caffeinated Crypto. Let's get it, Face. Caffeinated is rooting for you, bro. $20.
Oh shit, I got a hater.
Thank you very much, Caffeinated. I'm putting you on the wheel as we
I might have to make a little play here. And I feel like it's risky. I feel like it's kind of a risky play.
I know what you're doing. I know what you're about to do. I'm gonna do it before you.
Am I streaming right now? Are you watching my screen?
No, he can't see.
Are you paranoid?
Okay, here we go. How does this know I do? Okay, here we go.
Are you sniping?
And let's do this.
Boom. Caffeinated. You are on there, brother.
All right. All right. I don't know if this is gonna work out. All right.
You don't have to tell me which direction you're going. What'd you just place a trade on?
Pepe.
Are you out of Pepe long? Because you were in a long-term trade with Pepe. Are you totally out?
No, I was just a holder of Pepe.
Okay. All right. You're still holding. Radium says, "What am I watching?" Well, this is two of the greatest battling it out live on the stream today. They are trading against each other. They've got an hour and a half to see who can have the best P&L. And if Crow is able to pull it out,
Crow's looking good. He looks like he's game today. He's got his lollipop. He's bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. He started off good, man. When you start off strong, man, you're putting me in a pickle.
Crow, what kind of lollipops are those? You eat more lollipops than anyone I've ever seen.
I haven't had any in like a month. I took a break.
What are they?
They're cherry Tootsie Roll Pops.
Oh, they're the Tootsie Roll Pops. Okay.
I buy just the cherry ones. All the other ones suck.
Those are actually really good.
Because I
$1.11 super chat.
This oral thing, I either have to have juicy fruit gum, a dip, or a sucker, and it's just kind of how I roll.
You got to be careful who you tell that you've got an oral fixation around. You know what I mean? So
I got a lot of Gay for Crow fans. I got to do something for them.
Gay for Crow.
Damn, I'm down $100.
Oh shit!
Uh-oh.
You shorted instead of longed. I longed. I'm up 250 again.
I know. Like I was planning on maybe doing a quick short and then long. And I knew you were long. I knew you were long. Look at that fucking Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin on the 2 minute. It looks like it's about to soar. It looks like she's gonna soar.
Well, maybe you can take advantage of it.
But now that you think that way, I'm about to short while you long, and then I'm gonna get another game.
Well, now that you're saying that,
then I'll short. You're short.
I'm not even
go back the other
direction. I'm just playing face.
I'm gonna have to hedge against myself. I'm gonna have to do a triple.
Oh, look at that dump.
What are you guys looking at? Are we on the look at the 1 minute here?
I'm looking at a 1 minute right now. I'm not actually in a position.
Just share my window. Let me hang on. Let me I should just be sharing my window so you can like flip to what I'm doing. There's no we don't need to keep any secrets.
Yeah, we're whoa, holy dumpage. Holy dumpage.
Oh, there we go, baby. I'm only down $23. Okay, hang on, let me get
dumping on the 1 minute.
Programs.
We are dumping.
And do we have any Mozart in the background on this episode? It's not a big deal if we don't, but
we do not have any Mozart in the background. I believe that would be licensed material.
Window, entire screen one.
Let me take my.
Okay, so you should be whenever you want to. You don't have to right now, but whenever you want to. I got my window up so you can just like see me tripping.
No, I got it open. I enjoy watching you trade when it's
so like right now, like on the micro like minute time frames, we got like a little trigger wave. Money flows coming down. This is on the 5 minute on Pepe. But on the 30 minute, there's a little momentum here. Momentum's crossing, VWAP's coming up. It's been kind of flat, and so it's kind of like Pepe might not be the way, but it's kind of the same. Like we might have to tough act and tenact in these trades and just get in and out, but Crow can probably sit and do nothing. If I was Crow, I wouldn't be in any trades right now.
I'm not. I'm like, I wanted to hit a low.
Yeah. Well, my Pepe is back down to -$9, and so we got some time here. Maybe we could phone a friend. Okay, what is this? The 20-minute Bitcoin kind of maybe rolling over there, a little rolling over. Yeah, we're just gonna have to play this little range, man. We're gonna have to play this little 0.25% range, and we're in the green. I might have to kind of ham hawk this though, bro. Damn, you only did 10x. You do $100,000 trade and you made that much money? What the fuck?
He did. It was like a $90,000 trade, I think. Yeah.
It was pretty much the whole bag except for like $3 grand.
What's mine right now? Okay, so
you got almost 10 grand.
Okay, no, so all right, I got in this trade, I got 2,900 in it. Okay, so now it's my first time using this, but this is a pretty smooth
Platform.
Fairdesk
is pretty solid.
Set. Let's look at Solano. Does anyone in the chat have any what were the poll results?
Yeah, let me look. Let me jump over. Let me look. The poll results are 86% saying crypto face right now.
Yeah.
Now, people, I have not closed the poll. So if you're seeing this and you want to, start reconsidering as Crow came in hot.
I'll be the underdog. That's all fine and dandy. You all just vote for Crypto Face over there as I whoop his little ass right here in front of all of you. You can watch your best buddy go down in flames.
Watch your buddy go down in flames.
All right. I'm kind of eyeing maybe Solano, but again, kind of in the sideways range here. We're in a little range. So hourly looking like here. Hourly again coming down, but coming back, man. The move kind of happened. Damn, dude. You got that trade at the beginning, bro. You caught that. You caught that little $200 move, bro.
Dave Digital says Ponky. What's this? I don't even know this one. Ponky? Ponke? I don't even know if that's on the exchange, so I'd have to look. I'm not even positive if that's on the exchange. Let me look. Ponky or Ponk. I don't know how to say that.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to kind of get wild and get some good timing in here.
Get a little creative, get in and out.
Yeah.
I'm not familiar with Ponky. Some people are saying that's on Sol, but that's definitely not on the exchange here. I wish you guys could trade Tonald. That'd be fun.
Oh, this is on the 1 hour on this chart. Okay, that's why. Okay.
Brandon says, man, I started using that spider line technique from Face. Game changer.
It is. It is a game changer.
I have not used the spider lines. I've seen you use them. I don't really know how to set them up.
Just trend lines. They're just trend lines, and
I just don't know how to set them up. I don't know if I'm pinning from a low to a high, or if I've seen you set them up different ways. I never know what way to set them up.
Oh shit! Now it's about to hit that that resistance, and see how far into it gets.
I was comfortable when we were between 50 and 60, that range, and then we busted through it, and now I just have questions. I don't know which way this.
There it is. I knew it.
What?
I just went short again. I was waiting. As soon as it hit this fucking, I'll tell you what, man. If this plays out, there's a new indicator I'm going to start using every day. I don't even want to say what it is yet.
No.
Crow, are you effectively shorting the fact that we're keep tapping or getting close or coming back up on that 64 number, which has been an important number, or what? Because it's 63.
Yeah, because there's just so much sell pressure right there.
Yeah, I can see that. I can see that.
Now I'm down $40 now. Okay, it's coming. Straighten yourself out there, and
you start getting on those crackhead time frames, and it can get stressful really quickly. On the 1 second or the even the 1 minute is tough. It's like lots of stress involved. Did you short this?
I just want to get another couple $100 trade in, and then I'm just going to chill and let Base
sit on your hands and let him try to catch up.
Yeah. But I'm at 20x leverage now, so
you turned up the heat. That can go for you or against you. I guess we'll find out.
I'm either going to wipe everything out. Oh nope, here we go. Now I'm green. Oh yeah, I'm green and climbing. $40.
I'm about to start trading with you guys right now. About to pull up.
Oh, you're getting hooked. You're getting hooked on the party. You see everybody having fun, and you feel left out, do you?
Yeah, I'm starting to feel it. Let me make sure I'm logged in here.
Oh shit, I'm up 100. Oh yeah. What you doing, Face? You breathing?
What are you up 100 on, bro? The Bitcoin price isn't even moving, bro. What do you mean you're up 100? What are you
right now?
Because he keeps putting his whole bag in. He keeps putting his whole bag in.
Up 100 on what, bro? On what? The price moved $5.
Close the trade. What's my profit? How am I only make $11? What the fuck?
Let's see, because to me it looks like your balance is not that great there, buddy.
It was $163, but I ended up with a total P&L of 12.
Let me
yeah,
see.
Dude, your fees are killing you. Your fees are killing you. So now I'm fucking myself from the fees, thinking you're making this money, and you're not. You're mind fucking me.
Well, hold on. No. His last 3 trades. Hey, Crow, zoom in on your last 3 trades. Those 3 trades. I can see they're all green. What is it? 185, 165, and 11. The total P&L. Like, can you zoom? Can you zoom?
But you can have a green trade and it be negative, especially if you're going high leverage and you're marketing out. You might think you're having a green trade.
No, it's showing his close. It's showing his close.
That's what I learned in not only the first season, but the second season I was on, is everyone talks a big game like they're making all this money, and then when we find out what the real P&Ls are with the fees, then everyone starts getting quiet.
His P&L's his closed P&L's there. It's on there. You can see it.
It's what matters is his balance in the account. That's all I need to see. What's the balance in the account? Yeah, you're looking at my shitty screen right now. Is that my shit screen you're looking at? Because it looks like we have this. It looks like I'm ahead of you, bro.
No. I'm up a total of $166.90. That is what I've made after fees.
Okay.
Well, but
did your margin balance start at 10,000 today?
No,
or was
no. He was at 95 or 9600. 9600. Yeah.
I see. Okay, so all
right,
that
makes really whooping you, Face. Don't worry, I'm not.
all right.
Crow, let me stop you real quick. Haven't you made 3 trades?
How much have you made today? Damn, so you're up what, 300-400?
I'm looking at your numbers. It looks like you're up 185, 165, and 11, right?
No, I think only the top 2 are from today.
Oh, the top 2 are from today. So $176. $176.
Okay.
$177.
Right. So it's basically like $390. But like then after the fees, it's only like about $166 left.
He's got a
man, and the fact that you're making this money on like a move of a $10 move of Bitcoin, that's insane, bro. That's insane.
He put his whole bag in there and then put.
Yeah, I know my whole bag's in too, but you know what I'm saying? Like the price barely moved. Damn.
Hey, smash that like, everybody. If you're just coming in, we got Face and Crypto Crow going at it. Crow starting off hot, up almost a couple $100, having some fun in here. Make sure that you guys subscribe too if you haven't already. And if you're not following Face or Crow, I'm sure you are. That's why we have a couple hundred people in here. But if you're not, make sure to fix that problem. And then check me out over on X as well. Trading Wars BTC. Would appreciate that. Crow, while you're sitting there basking in glory, talk to me real quick about the card game you got coming up, bro.
Oh, Wargrim. It's actually it's going to be pretty damn cool. I've been working on the trailer for it. And it's basically just me and my partner Eli, and then we've got a couple coders that have been working around the clock. And I mean, we're basically trying to get it ready to launch. We want to be able to launch the booster packs before Rare Evo, and then actually like launch the game hopefully by Rare Evo. And it's basically just, you get booster packs with NFTs. I think we're setting it up to be like 15 NFTs in a booster of all different rarities and things, like intentional rarity. Like some cards are going to be super rare. Everybody's going to want like 4 of each card in each set to build their decks out however they want, deck building. And then there's, after the initial launch of this, then there's a whole other launch phase coming for land. And it's not land like, you're going to build a house on it or anything, but we want to have a map of the basically scorched earth after this, like because of the war. and you're going to be able to fight each other to control land for a period of time. And then when you control a piece of land, it's going to spit out a resource every so often, and you're going to be able to use those resources to combine them into legendary weapons and different new cards that you can build into the deck that you can't buy. And so that's going to be pretty cool. And basically the whole story of it is AI becomes sentient and decides that it needs to wipe humans off the earth because humans keep using all the resources that it wants to prolong itself. And so, the humans go to war, and through that, the AI decides it starts forcing evolution through genetic manipulation of human beings. And through that, it creates all these mutated hybrids of like feline humans and crocodile humans and all this other shit, because it knows that when they die in battle, the AI will reanimate them to fight for the reborn, its faction of the war. And there's a whole bunch of stuff going on. It's going to be really cool. I think Face and I are going to play it tonight. And,
I gotta say, Crow's done a really good job with I don't want to just say he's only done one good thing, but the art of it, he's done all himself, and it's actually amazing. And so you've actually really implemented AI really good with yourself. You can show my screen if you want to as well, so you can see what's going on with my price action.
I see $75 unrealized in the green, baby. I see some green.
But my hope is and what I hope I bring with my experience to Wargrum is that it's a smooth playable experience. And Crow's always a guy with a lot of great ideas. Sometimes too many ideas, and he knows it himself. We all know our strengths and weaknesses. Your strength is your weakness. And so I just hope that I can add value with Wargrum, and that these guys probably know what they're doing, but that I can my input for a better player experience.
Absolutely.
And, it's really got a lot of potential. It's really got a lot of potential. So
have you figured out the money side
last night, bro. So let's definitely play it tonight.
Have you figured out the money side, Crow? Have you announced any of that? How much the booster packs are going for? All of that.
We don't got to talk about that stuff yet, because the game. What matters is the game has to be good. That's what matters first, and then we can figure out the booster pack shit.
Well, you know what?
I appreciate you asking.
I was making the assumption that the game was going to be good. Okay.
Yeah, no, I understand, but the people don't know that yet. They got to play. Like, what are we going to do? Tell people they can buy a card pack for $50? They don't. What the fuck? That's like a sales call. You make a sales call. I'm not attacking you. You're trying to be nice and stuff. I'm just saying.
I will say this: it's all going to be based in ADA, so it's all going to be.
There's a surprise. Nobody saw that coming.
I want my money back. I'm no longer part of the
however, I will say this. We're working on some integrations that it may be Cardano and then fiat. So we're not 100% sure yet. There are still some elements of the game that what we're trying to do now is build the game out so that it's fully playable, smooth. We're adding animations and effects and all kinds. We're trying to make it cooler now. Yeah. And so once we get this kind of first main phase of production and release done, then it's okay. How do we make it even better? How do we integrate other things, other systems? Because I think we have a company that wants to work with us to where they already have 3 million people or whatever in their game community, and we're basically going to have a free to play version of the game with starter decks. And then if they want to own their actual cards and stuff, then we're hoping they cross over. People that like the game will cross over, start buying the NFTs and really becoming part of the Cardano community as well. So
I got a question for you, because I know you're a Cardano soldier. But I'm a big believer in, if it doesn't necessarily have to be crypto for a certain function, is someone, I guess my question, never mind. Never mind.
Well, I want to comment, Crow, that it's great that you're using a stable coin like Cardano, because then people can predict how much the packs are going to be. You know what I'm saying? I think that's
right.
A great idea.
I'm actually kind of excited to learn about the whole Cardano community. They apparently have events and stuff, and they have working platforms. I mean, it's something Crow really believes in. And so, you know what I'm saying? And so, I don't know, maybe, although I guess I don't know how isn't there like multi-chain shit now, multi-chain technology too, where like I guess my thing is I hope we're not just barred with you have to do it everything on Cardano. And if it is, maybe that's fine. Maybe it's fine. What matters is the game has to work, you know what I'm saying?
There's levels to it. Like, I mean, basically initial launch, we want to basically launch with Cardano, but I mean, there is a lot of cross-chain functionality that's coming and a lot of bridging and all sorts of things. So that's one of the reasons why Cardano is such a big deal, because especially after Chang, once that launches, so much shit's going to be changing on Cardano. Things are going to be opening up.
Is that why it's called Chang? Because it's going to Chang the world?
Exactly. I already made the t-shirt. Let's Chang the world.
Was it originally Flogan? Was the Chang blockchain report was supposed to be Flogan and Gogan, but he changed it to Chang.
You went right over my head with that one, but
I have no idea what he's saying.
Are we worried about offending any Chinese? Is Chang a slang?
I have no idea what Chang is. I haven't even looked up the inspiration of that.
If a Chinese guy's yelling at you at a car wash, he's like Chang, Chang, Chang. Is he asking for quarters?
He might be. He might be.
Oh boy. All right.
There we go, baby. Come on, baby. Come on.
Look at that. Look at that. Hey, he's above you right now. He's above you, bro. He's above you, bro. You better start trading.
Am I? No, because bro, I took a hit. I've taken a couple of hits right now, so I'm not. This is let's see here. Order history. Where's okay, no, hang close positions. So I took $100 hit on Pepe, so I'm not out of the water yet here.
Okay.
But I'll tell you what I'm thinking. I'm on the 3-minute chart. I'm on Ethereum. I never, ever have positive trades on Ethereum on this show yet. If I don't know what it is, if I'm able to make something out of this trade, it'd be the first time on Trading Wars the double champ pulled an Ethereum trade out of his ass. And so I got my little kind of measurement tool and measured it out. I'm like, all right, so I got how much time we got left? We got like an hour, maybe 40 minutes. So I don't know. I'm hoping we can hit like 34.30, man. I'm hoping we can get $10 in price action, in these next few minutes. So I'm all in on Ethereum, man.
Yeah, that that price action just spun right back around on you too, didn't it?
Hey, but when you're talking, you get distracted. You know what I'm saying? It's like,
oh, I get it.
Like my
this show's hard, bro. I'm forcing you guys to trade for one, which you would never do. You look for an opportunity, not a hey, sit down, you got to trade, boy. You know what I mean?
Right.
So that makes it tough. And then on top of that, you've got a limited amount of time that you have to get in and out of the trade. It's not like we can like check back in next week and see where he exited the trade. Like it's tough.
Right.
It's really freaking tough. I've had multiple, a lot of good traders on here that have, had just a tough time with it. It is freaking difficult. I know it is.
Yeah, no, totally.
But we have
this thing's just ranging too. This thing is just ranging. I'm down to $30 and I'm up to $100. And so I just need this baby just to wiggle. It's kind of against resistance though. Like the juice really isn't there today. Although speaking of Chang, we do seem to be forming a kind of a little Chinese trumpet here. And that's a bullish pattern.
A Chinese trumpet? I've never heard that one. Come on, hit me with it. What is a Chinese trumpet?
It's a real thing.
No, I believe you. I'm asking that's what it looks like.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the idea is whatever there's bear Chinese trumpets and there's bull like a Chinese trumpet can come up and then like go down. And then it'll make another Chinese trumpet or a reverse Chinese trumpet and go down. This is a standard Chinese trumpet where it's up and then it'll do whatever and then it'll make another Chinese trumpet. It just repeats patterns. That's it. Like it's just a pattern. I saw that Bitcoin makes that is likely to repeat itself. And so haven't seen them since 2018, which is funny because that's when we had the $3,000 bottom, when we had like Bitcoin on the daily RSIs on Bitcoin. Never have we had RSIs this bullish before on Market Cypher. The last time we had anything close to this was in 2018 when we here, let me go back here. When we hit the first time we touched the $3,000
$3,000. Yeah.
Right here. See these RSIs, they're inside of each other. And it's even this one's not as pretty. It's not as pretty. And we still, kind of ranged and we went sideways, but that was the bottom, you know what I'm saying? So damn, I'm getting my ass pounded now.
And I'm in a short and it's dumping and I'm making more money. I'm up another $124. And this time I've actually got a limit to close it out.
Let me see.
If it gets there.
Let me see here, Crow. What you got going on?
I ain't lying.
Oh, I know you ain't lying. I wanted to see it.
I ain't lying.
Up $109 unrealized right now.
Oh, now you're at 20x leverage. Oh, you're taking my advice, I see.
Damn, straight up at 20x leverage full.
All right. Well, I'm gonna do that too. Fuck, I should have taken profits. I don't know what I was thinking. It's the top of the range. I should have took profit. Apparently, there's no fee.
You're negative 140 there, Face.
I'm taking profit at negative 140. I'm flipping it. Well, I'm in this bitch. I don't know. I hope Ethereum goes up. I've told you I never had a successful Ethereum trade on this show.
I went ahead and increased my limit there because it looks like if this just closes out, I can just go and eat sandwiches and watch you.
Damn, bro. I'm undefeated, bro. I'm undefeated in the Gulag. But this might be, I'm down 240. Damn, what the fuck is going on?
Whoa. What was the big move there, Crow? You just went from...
Now you're probably up even more, bro.
I don't know what happened.
No, he's down. Well, not down, but
I'm not down.
No, he's not down. It dropped a decent bit pretty quickly, though.
I should be.
Why am I even long in this shit, dude?
I don't know what the hell happened. I should be up like this. Realized P&L $120.
Oh, it closed. Because it closed.
It hit your limit, bro. It hit your limit, dude.
It hit part of you. It filled part of your order.
Oh.
It filled $120
worth
of your order.
$120 in profit, and it's about to. I don't want to close this out yet. No, don't close it out yet. I want to trail this down. Every time I lower it, it keeps going. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. Fuck. It's all this money just flowing right into
Look
my
at all
bag.
this money falling into my lap. Just falling into my lap.
Oh man, this is bad.
The trading gods are on Crow's team today. It looks
all
like.
You haters and doubters.
I was talking shit on my stream. I knew I felt in my bones that something wrong was going to happen.
All right, go ahead and hit that limit so I can just go ahead and retire and let Face go 50x leverage on a Solana loss.
Dang. Hey, we get to keep this money after the show, right? Right?
Something like
hit
that.
My limit. Don't turn green, you bastard.
You better. Well, you already got 120 realized off that trade, so that's a great.
I know,
trade.
but I want another 100.
Well, I bet you want another 1,000 if you can get it.
But it's not showing. It's not showing in my closed position.
I think it's because it's only partially closed. The whole
thing has to close.
I think the whole thing has to close out. Yeah, I think so. Face would know that better than me, but I believe the whole position has to close out. Face, why do the positions partially close when you have a limit?
It only partially closed because that's whatever he typed in. You could have a limit order for 25%, 50%.
Oh, 10%. Because he didn't have the whole bag at that point. I got you.
Yeah. A limit order just means you're putting it on the books. Like it's going to be one of these orders that's actually on on the book to be taken.
But you know how your order, getting into a trade will like partially fill.
Yeah.
So I guess what I'm asking is,
let's say, if we're trading cupcakes, and I have 10 cupcakes for $5, and you have 10 cupcakes, the next guy's 10 cupcakes for $6. Maybe only 5 people will buy my. Adam, buy 5 cupcakes from me. So only half my cupcakes sold.
Gotcha.
Are you guys talking about fucking cupcakes?
Yeah, definitely. Thank you. Welcome to Trading Wars, where we trade cupcakes and Crypto Face talks about drumsticks. And
come on, get me with another $100. It's about to close on me.
Odyssey. Look what Odyssey just said, Face. finna unfollow Face if he loses.
Oh, I don't want to cause Face to lose no fans, even though I just made another $100. Yeah, 110 total P&L. That was a $222 trade. And then the price goes back up from my limit.
Bro, you're kicking my ass today, bro. I fucking knew it, dude.
Oh, smoke.
This thing's continuing to drop too.
Stupid.
This thing is
stupid.
Damn. So what have I made so far? 360.
We're just in a bear trend today. It's just bear trend today, and it's like, god damn, you know what I'm saying? The price is moving just a teeny whip, but we're leveraged.
How am I beating a multi-million-dollar trader in just 40 minutes? This is almost terrible.
I didn't feel good. I'm not feeling good.
I'm just gonna sit back and chill now with all that green on my board.
Damn, bro, I've never seen you have winning trades before, to be honest. I'm proud of you.
Didn't I beat you one season?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure I beat him one season that kept me in the game.
This is a turning point in Crow's life.
Crow's gonna be trading tonight at 3 a.m. and put like a $1 million trade. He's gonna live $1 million trade.
Like, hell to the no.
I've never lost in the Gulag.
I'm basically up about 3% ROI on my bag. So,
oh damn,
man, okay. So we still got 45 minutes, right?
Yeah, you got plenty of time to D10 into a 50x leverage trade. Pray to the gods.
Look at your ETH.
All right, let's see here. We're gonna have to pull something out. It's not the time yet, but it might be soon.
Yeah.
Okay, it might be the time. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We are going to
struggle.
Ooh,
I throw that 40x on there.
We're gonna
go long and wing
some margin. We're gonna see what the max amount of margin I can move is. 4,500.
It won't tell you what the amount of margin that you can remove. You can't
chase those.
My keyboard's just being fucking retarded.
Okay.
Oh, about to get another reversal to the downside. You better short it. Catch it quick.
All right, so you just lowered the amount of margin that you had on there, or the amount of leverage. I mean,
so I lowered the margin, increased the leverage.
Okay. Increased the leverage, lower the margin. Okay,
correct.
Are you down $543?
Yeah,
that's $54.23.
The decimal point is in the wrong spot. You just looking at it a little bit different. You know?
This is in the Korean won.
Yes, this. It's in Mexican pesos, bro. You think he trades in dollars? He trades in Mexican pesos.
Listen, the 5 second on ETH is curling back up. And so we got 45 minutes, bro. We got 45 minutes. The 1 minute kind of looks like shit. The 2 minute looks okay for me. The 3 minute, I'm banking on this 3 minute. This is just a minor pullback. This is an Elliott. This is clearly an Elliott queer wave for A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3 for me.
Hey, you know what? I'm whipping your ass with none of that shit. That's what I know. You can count all them Elliott waves.
I know. Elliott waves are so gay.
Oh, shit. No, I'm totally fucking around. I am using an indicator that I won't say what it is, and it's helped me out actually quite a bit today. So I'm like, this has validated it for me. You need to make sure. I'm going to tell you what it is later. I'm going to be like, you need to throw this in your indicator.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, if you are able to use it, I mean, damn, it must be.
Of course. This old ass can use it. Anyone can.
I'm just kidding.
Look at that dump. Still going. I should have just stayed in it. And I thought about setting it all the way down to like 63.5, my limit, and just letting it ride. But
you're already winning the show. You know what I'm saying? I have to dig back. I mean, look at me. I'm down 750. You know what I'm saying? And so
my God, you're down 750. 910. Oh my God, dude.
Holy God, this is getting big. Hey, Face, remember, I need you for upcoming Thursdays, so don't lose the whole bag here.
Well, that's not what you told me. You told me this shit refreshes. You know, if I lose the whole bag, you just tell me.
I will. You know what? I actually I can do that for you. You're right. I can't do it for the other traders, but I can do that for you. Just
that's right. That's right. That's
right. I forgot about that. You're right.
All I know is that everybody that voted against me, if I win this, you have to go to my Cardano shirt shop and buy a damn T-shirt.
That's right. Doubt me? Go buy my T-shirt.
What's the name of your Cardano? Hey, because you've got some new Crow graphics. They kind of look cool from what I remember.
Yeah, well, I'm trying to create 1 to 2 new shirts a week now in my shop. And like I do have a shirt that says let's Chang the world, and it's got the globe and then like aliens and people of all races holding hands across the world and stuff.
Trap God says, I'm a market maker and I'm warning you, it's going to dump, boys.
Yeah, it is dumping. I mean, I can see it. That's what I'm saying. My limit, my original limit that I was going to set will have closed in about $20 more down, and that probably would have been like a $400 or $500 trade.
Lolo wants to know if you've got women's tanks.
Lolo, just for you, I will put some out on the store today.
What's the name of the website?
It's I think hold on, it's Cardano drip, I think. Hold on. Oh, Cardano Club.
Hold on, I'll pull it up.
.my Shopify.
Cardano Club .my. Oh, is that what I have to go to too?
Yeah, that's the public thing.
Cardano what? Drip?
Cardano Club .my Shopify. I'll send you the link to it.
I got it right here. Jason,
I've been busting my ass on these shirts too. I'm going to try and come out with a couple each week. Some of them are dated, like Cardano Club 2017, 2018. So it's basically to kind of represent the year you got into the Cardano ecosystem.
Here we go, right here.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we got a bathing suit. We got
15 minutes just looking ugly too. Yeah, this is
I'm
in deep shit. I'm in it deep.
You're in it deep.
I might have to just get out just to save this account.
How bad is it? Oh, are we at $1,000 to the downside right now? Oh, we are.
Oh my God.
Yes, now we are.
Hey, listen, we've all had those days. It happens.
Just one of those days.
I should have shorted, bro. If I shorted this, I'd be up $1,000 and cleaning the house, man.
Yep.
If only I shorted, I'd be kicking your ass.
If only.
If only we both did the opposite of what we did, you'd win.
Man, it's crazy how it's that simple. You know, it's like
isn't it?
50-50 chance, you know,
Pretty
like
much.
it's that simple in life sometimes.
So, Crow, on the day, you're up what, $380 ish? Right.
I've got this indicator that's basically showing me where the liquidity is on the chart, and it's showing me a graph on each one of these bars that shows how much sell pressure versus buying pressure there is. So when the price gets up to that 63.8 level, I can see there's a lot more red than there is green. It's not on that chart, it's on my trading view. So and I'm like, I watched it the first time.
Is it a heat map? Is it a heat map? Is it a liquidity heat map?
It's a liquidity map, but it's not a heat map necessarily.
Okay. Giselle wants to know, tanning bed or self-tanner? Neither. I used to tan. I do not tan. I'm out in the sun a decent little bit. So neither is the answer to that. I know. I look orange. Face reminded me.
Time in the sun, you know. I mean, for as hard as your life is, you're really having a hard time at the beach lately, huh?
Face reminded me. You know, you guys just sit behind a fucking computer inside all day long. I get out and touch grass, as they like to say.
Yes, sir.
You know what I mean?
So wait a minute. So Face's trade was at a $500 loss or $300 loss. So then he cranked it up to 40x, and then it just shot to 1,000. Is that what happened?
Yeah.
Wow. Yes.
Yes, sir. That's it. That's correct.
Face, I fucking absolutely love you, dude. Like your way, you have one of the few personality types that just crack me up without even trying.
Thanks, man.
Oh God. Volumized order block.
Yeah, this is a rough one. This is a rough one.
It's not that I think it's slick. It's just I don't think Market Cipher has it yet. So I don't want to like be like, oh, this indicator, your competitor has something. I'm not trying to be slick. I just
volumized order block.
I'd rather tell him what it is and be like, hey, add it so that I can use it on my Market Cipher account.
Hey, yeah, man. If something's working for you and you think can help other people, as long as it's not one of the motherfuckers that like try to rip us off and like an imitator, you know what I'm saying, bro? I don't give a fuck. Share it. Thank you for being concerned, though. You know, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Hey, but fuck that indicator. Actually, don't show it.
Yeah. No, I'm not showing it. I'm not showing it.
Let me check.
I mean, there's some cool shit in there. I always miss my Market Cipher, but it's like every time I stop using it to go explore the world
every year, it's like you say you don't have it, and I give you a code, and then you say you don't have it. Are you telling me you don't have it right now?
No, I think I do have it, but I keep forgetting how to use it the best way. So, and it's like
I gotta tell you what. I think with most people, they gotta take away like a lot of the things that like people don't use. Like just use core strategy, and like if you want to use other shit, you can. But like there's a lot of things you don't really need. You don't need the yellow squares, the red squares,
have it on my chart.
Triangles.
I have the red X, the red manipulation X. I have that. I have Market Cipher A. I'm running that with pretty much everything turned off except for the manipulation.
I usually run B.
I feel like you should have I feel like you should be doing that oppositely. Like the new Market Cipher A that I have, secret weapon that I use, it's the yellow X's and the blood diamonds, and that's pretty much it.
I have the blood diamonds, yeah. I have the red X's and the blood diamonds. I think I turned the yellow off.
Well, then I need to adjust my strategy here, Face. I've been using Market Cipher B for God knows how long, and
stay that way. That's stay that way.
Okay, all right. Yeah, money flow is coming down on Bitcoin.
I was just talking about with Market Cipher A, what I've gotten like.
Oh, I got you. I got you. On the 1 minute, looks like we're bottoming out on the not on the.
Yeah, I think we're thinking about flipping short. You know, and it's gotten so bad. I'm down 1,500. I'm like, if I flipped it, I could have made $500 by now.
So we could get crazy here, Face.
Flip it.
You know, you could flip and go heavy, go the whole bag at 30x or 50x or something, and then see if you can catch him.
I still got plenty of man. Okay, hang on. Sorry, I'm getting these messages.
Wow, the price literally came down and bottomed on the very center of this block that I'm not showing. And
if he flops this, if he flops and gropes here and flips this and then beats you, Crow, I'm never inviting you back. And I love it.
I got shit to do, homie.
I got shit to
do. Eat my ass, Keeper.
No, this has been great. You've killed it today. I will be very interested to see if there is a way to get Face back in the green today. That will be even just to get back to green will be a work of God.
Yeah, there's only one way to do that. There's only one way to do that.
And here we strap in, ladies and gentlemen. We're talking high leverage. And do not. This is not trading or financial advice.
Okay, so now it's saying my leverage is too much. Okay, so I got to figure out how to adjust the risk level.
Why don't you just take the loss?
Just fee level.
Why don't you just take the L? Thank you very much for the super chat, Tradefly. Love you, bro. Appreciate you. I'll see you on Monday, Tradefly. You did well last week. Looking forward to seeing you guys. If you guys don't know, Monday is the next show for Trading Wars. I will be streaming Monday through Friday at 1 o'clock, but Trading Wars is Mondays and Thursdays. So if you're here just for Face or you're here just for Crow, come back on Mondays. And I'm gonna try to convince Face to come heckle people on Mondays too. So we'll see.
Yeah, it's not letting me increase the leverage because the risk max is like.
I think you're gonna have to close. I think you're gonna have to take the L and then put in a whole new trade. Is what you're probably gonna.
If you get hit by a car, the best thing to do is to ram your face into the bumper a few times after.
Yeah, just max is 240,000 for. I mean, that's not gonna do me any good. You know what I'm saying? It's not. That'll only hurt me more
if you close the whole trade.
With fees and shit, yeah. I mean,
So it says, it's your world. I'm just passing. How do I get on the show? So at that, obviously you're asking me that since it says at Trading Wars. So I had it set up to have Tuesdays as the audience is what I had it set up as. I don't know if you're an influencer. I hate saying that word, a KOL, whatever. If you are, reach out to me, shoot me a message, Trading Wars BTC on X. But if you're not, I had it set up to do Tuesdays with the audience, and I could not get, turns out people have real lives. And so on Tuesdays, when I tried to get 10 people together to do the audience, and then I was going to have the audience versus the KOLs, I couldn't get 10 people together that actually didn't have a life, you know? So apparently it's only us KOLs that have no life, AKA a great life, depending on how you look at it. But I'm always looking for new blood, new people. So hit me up if you guys know some people that you want to see on the stream. Maybe it's one of your favorite traders. Sometimes it gets difficult putting together the teams because these guys are donating their time. You know, they're coming onto a much smaller channel than theirs and having fun and enjoying it and whatnot. But there's no financial incentive. They're just here because they're good friends of mine and they enjoy the show. So if you guys have some people that want to come on, I'd obviously appreciate that. So let me know. Let me know.
It's gonna keep dumping even more. I swear, it's just gonna keep dumping anymore. I exited the trade and it doubled down long again. I think it's gonna keep going down. It's I'm down another $174.
So
I can't even get a bus pass. I'm gonna be struggling for a bus pass this weekend.
Yeah, I mean, let's see here on so when we started the stream, what was that? Where are we at right now? What time is it right now? I hate that I have this. I need to change this UTC over to Eastern because that always throws me off. Oh,
son of a bitch.
United States.
Oh, come on. New
York.
I was just a second too late.
Yeah, I entered a little trade. I entered a little long, and then I was like, it's reversing so hard. And then I closed it, and then I entered a short, and then it hit where I would have had my long.
Well, I mean, Crow, look at it, right? When the show started, Bitcoin was at 63,956. It's at 63,524. We're talking about some decent sized numbers in terms of trades and tossing leverage on it. That $600, $500 move has made a big freaking difference. And I think it's been a big.
You know what I like about this Gulag, the refillable crypto phase Gulag is like, man, I can just go ham every time. Like you're getting the full Gulag experience. You know what I'm saying?
You're able to go just absolutely.
I said it once. I'll say it again. This show, the way you win this show is you short, bro. Like at least on Thursdays. I don't know. Maybe it's just this time, but like, I feel like overall, the shorts is what wins this show.
You would say that, man, but I used to do that a lot, and I would just get wrecked all the time, and then I'd end up flopping and groping, as you say, trying to catch up. Yeah. Because I would, but then as soon as the show was over, everything would fucking tank.
It would tank.
Piss myself off.
No, it's tough. There's no doubt about that. There's no doubt about that.
Well, man, way to go, bro. I'm glad. I was hoping you were gonna win today. Like I'm giving it my best here. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't want to see you go. You probably did. You probably wanted to get kicked off. You probably don't want to show up for this shit every week.
No, it's fun. It's actually a good break because I just be, it is a nice break, and it's the only social interactivity I get anymore. So
TradeFly said, I think he's onto something.
I'm in a trade right now. Like I'm in a short.
So being your own head, so there's kind of distraction from the daily stresses of wealth.
Shit. I don't feel wealthy right now. That's for sure.
I need to. Can I hold on to your daily stresses of wealth there, Face? I'll hold those for you for a little while.
All it is a different kind of problem.
Oh, yeah, for sure. TradeFly said that most of his trades were shorts on last season. He won last season. So, yeah. 235 people on the stream. Love you guys. Appreciate you for being here. Hopefully, all 235 of you are subscribed to the channel. Would really appreciate the support, and obviously following Face and Crow as they face off.
Hopefully, not following me on this one.
I didn't say follow his.
Go on my knees
today.
There's my knees.
Yeah.
I'm like reading the chat. Crow's in shorts. Show him your knees, Crow.
Show him.
Hey man, so weren't you calling out? Didn't you say you'd fight Bryce
Bradley Martin
or some shit? Or with the other guy?
Bradley Martin.
Some guy, didn't you say you were wanting to fight some dude?
Bradley Martin.
Bradley Martin.
Yeah, if I had some time to train for it, I would. I mean, he's a lot more athletic than I am.
Yeah.
So, I mean, with his size and his athleticism, and then just my general technique and accuracy, I think it'd be a pretty fair balanced match.
Just kick him.
Yeah, or I could kick him.
Man, that kick you threw, man, I'll never forget that, bro. I knew going into that fight it was a lopsided deal. And you know, I was like, oh my God.
Yeah, and I love RC. RC's a great dude. I literally said a little prayer for him before the fight, not gonna lie, because I just kind of knew. I mean, the reality is, like, you know, that's just what it kind of felt like was gonna happen. Not taking anything away from him. I just
Yeah, I'm thinking we might be putting the groper in the pit one of these days here. We might be putting flopping groper up in there to whoop somebody's ass.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You're gonna put your brother up in there, gonna put him up.
Man, he does minimum 100 push-ups a day now. He's been doing them every day.
Yeah.
He did 600 push-ups the other day, and he's on his good little hero arc.
Yeah, he's been getting in good shape. I've seen him on, I think, on Instagram, I think maybe with
he's in really good shape. Yeah.
Looks like he's been in good shape.
Yeah, we might throw him in there. He's never really fought before, you know, but yeah,
most of the people, Crow wouldn't be one of them, but most of the people that have come in there, you know, haven't fought very much. When I was going to go into the fight, obviously I had my Marine Corps experience in McMAP, which is the martial arts, you know, program in the Marine Corps. And then I just used to be a scrapper, like a street fighter, always getting into shit. But the reality is most of the people that are in the influencer fights they're not fighters. They're just not, right. It's set up. We're crypto people, the majority of them. So you do get, you know, it's interesting. It's always fun and interesting to see. I'll tell you what, the best knockout though so far of all of them was what's his face. Help me out here. It was the very first influencer fight. It was Phil. Phil. When he knocked out
Dreamer,
dude. That freaking knockout! You heard that,
Dreamer, man.
That
he
thing
was
just
absolute for a bunch of rounds and
And I thought that was going to be the best fight of the night. And I mean, everyone has a puncher's chance, right? That's how fights work. And he absolutely just caught his jaw just right, the little nerve right there, disc, blink, and lights out. You know,
yeah,
man. Skinny guys can throw, man. Like I'm telling you, sometimes skinnies, man. Really, they say that your muscle strength is like. The average person uses like 5% of their muscle strength. It comes from their brain. And so if a skinny motherfucker has a brain that uses 10% and he weighs 40% less, he's still almost twice as strong and he's still a little stronger. So, man, I remember like in wrestling, dude, you know, you'd see dudes with huge muscles and tattoos and sometimes you'd be scared, but then they would fold. Like they would, it's like they had pillows. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes not. Sometimes like an Iowa kid, he'd fuck you up. You know, they got muscles and it's dense. But other dudes, it's like, damn, you look like you're jacked, but you crumpled. I'm a skinny motherfucker. I crumpled your ass, bitch.
My best friend Matt in high school, he's like 6'7", and he threw like over 90 miles an hour in baseball as a senior in high school. Right? He went to Ohio State University. He was looking at getting possibly drafted. Whatever. I remember like him and his brother would always fight. And one night we went out to the bar and some bouncer got up in his face. And he, you know, like I said, he's like 6'7", but he's a beanpole. And he looked at me and I just knew the look because I've known him for a long time. I was like, he's about to sleep. The dude was not as big as you, Crow, but he was much bigger than my buddy Matt was. And Matt's 6'7". Like I said, he was a lot bigger dude. And he just turned around and, man, think about it. He throws a baseball 90 miles an hour. When he cracked that dude, I mean, just absolutely just whoop. Good night. So yeah, you can't take anything away from the skinny guys. There's no doubt about that. They'll throw it around.
I feel like the price of Bitcoin's going up and shit, but I don't see my P&Ls changing.
Albatross said pencil neck power.
Pencil neck power.
Yeah, and Mark had a good point. He said, "Look at like
you might catch up at fucking 80x leverage there."
I don't think so. I'm not catching shit.
Well, I'm in a short that's like I'm down $200. So if it keeps going up, you know, you catch up and pass me, and then it'll be lights out for me.
So
bro,
Face,
there's no juice on the
Just trying
long
to stay
side.
active.
Face, talk to me about the trades you have open right now. What are they?
Today's the day off, man. Today's the day off. Tomorrow, you know, we'll see if like really what it's what's China gonna do tonight. Like that's if China doesn't like sell off tonight, I think we can have a good bullish day tomorrow. So
you like trading those Chinese markets?
These trades, bro.
Oh, today's Thursday already. Shit.
Yeah, it's Thursday.
Yeah.
Yep.
I was thinking it was Tuesday.
Face, the trades that you have open right now, you have an ETH trade and a Bitcoin trade. Are they both? Did you spin out of that? Did you spin out of the ETH trade and now you're back?
No, the ETH trade came back. I was minus 1,500 and now it's at minus 195.
Wow.
I'm just fucking with you.
Oh, I thought you were serious. I was like, what? Damn. I was
well, I couldn't increase it just so you have a risk level, like you have a maximum amount on certain coins of what you can do.
Right.
And you know, their max on ETH is 240K at whatever leverage I was at. And so I closed it and figured I could get more money because there's more liquidity in Bitcoin. So I'm still in some ETH too, but no, I'm taking my first O here. The O has got to go. The O's got to go, and
get it out of your system.
You know, it's going to a halfway decent, man.
Get it out of your system. Hey, gents, what do you think about me getting the exchange to re-up everybody every Monday? You like the idea or you don't like the idea?
What would be the point?
Well, I think it's a good idea because, you know, I mean,
because it just means every time it's do or die and everybody's on the same playing field. You're just trying to survive.
Well, I mean, you know, it makes the math easier. I mean, I don't want to. I'll tell you what, though, bro, you don't want to cause these people too much stress, man. Like, because I remember, you know, you sometimes aren't the easiest guy to work with on certain things. And like when an exchange is doing this shit for you, you really don't want to bother them with a bunch of shit. Just have them refill mine. Fuck everybody else.
Wow, I got my short closed.
Boy, goddamn! I'm done. 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 I'm done.
Oh,
I'm done.
Woo!
Now it's gonna go back up. Now it's going back up.
This has not been your day, brother. But
all right, so I lost $3,700 today.
Oh my
god! And it wasn't on purpose. I'm not doing it because Crow's my homie.
No,
this is legit.
Crow, and you are. How are you looking? You down? Are you down on a couple trades here?
I mean, I'm done. My available balance is up to 9,750.
Okay, so you ended up netting $150 today. Up.
Yeah, because the last two trades I made, my total P&L went down a little bit from fees.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on the bright side. I'm glad that I'm like this price action is weak. I'm glad I'm not trading today, even though I was earlier. I got out of it and avoided potentially catastrophe. You know, I just I want my winning streaks to keep going. So, you know,
I honestly, I feel like, because I don't really stare at these charts much lately because I've been so busy with other shit. I feel like I just caught a lucky trend and just played it. I mean, that's pretty much it.
Hey,
you know, it worked out. Well, however it played out, you did well today. Yeah.
I mean, you shorted a little top, bro. You shorted the top, bro. You got in at the right time. I mean, you made multiple trades though. You know, you did it 4 times, and so.
Let me show this. Look at this. So check this out. This is exact. So you started your trade right at 1 o'clock. Check this out. 1301 right here. Oh shoot, hold on. Let me get my. So you shorted right here. What did we get from there? Woo! I mean, it worked. I mean, you literally played it like a fiddle. And I don't care what you call it. Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good anyway. Even if you did just get lucky, it played out. So who cares?
Well, I got lucky. Face is good. I'll take my win and eat my lunch.
No, that was fantastic.
Enjoy the lunch. I'll tell you something. I tell you, when you make good trades, it makes you hungry too. It's like it's time to eat. You know, it triggers something in your quadrilateral cortex, the medulla oblongata.
That, and I'm just a big ogre that has to eat. I'm even on Manjaro still, and I just got back on that, so I'm trying to even cut down more because I was 265 in Mexico for my fight, and then I shot right back up to like 286. I'm like, fuck that, I got to get back down.
Are you on like is that like an Ozempic thing?
Yeah, this is pretty much the
same
thing. I just
learned about that shit, bro. I didn't even know, like, I remember seeing commercials and stuff, but I didn't know what Ozempic like even was until I watched like a South Park episode. Well, that shit's working though, huh?
Hell yeah, it works. It works a lot.
Man, what's the catch, bro? Like, I don't know if I really want to ask because you're eating right now. Like, do you just shit it all out?
You don't
like weird alien?
You just don't eat. It makes you not hungry, right? It makes you not hungry, right?
It makes you not hungry, and when you do get hungry, you crave meat. You crave like protein. You don't crave sugar. You don't crave carbs. You don't crave any of that stuff. And like just to see it will make you feel like, oh God, I don't want that. Like your body just knows. Like if you ate that, you'll feel like shit for it.
Really? Damn.
Mm-hmm.
But you know, they all have side effects. You know, you just got to be careful with any of that type of stuff. You know,
well, I take a really low dose. I don't take anywhere near the dose they prescribe because I tried that and it just made me super sick.
You asked what's the catch? Mark Dutch said, "Ask Britney Spears."
She's had more than Ozempic.
That's a great comment there. Yeah. All right. Well,
thank you, Amy. I appreciate that.
Hey, they want to know what the indicator is, Crow. They want to know what the indicator is. What was the indicator?
Well, they're gonna have to tune in to they're gonna have to come visit Wargrum.
Oh yeah, they're gonna have to check out Wargrum, and Monday, you're gonna have to come back to hear.
That's a part of it. It said don't mess up your insulin. That's a part of it. I think it was messed up because I would get these like shaking fits where I'd have to like binge eat everything I saw just to stop shaking and feeling like lightheaded and sick. And when I'm on this, I feel fine. I don't get the shakes. I don't get any of that stuff.
Interesting.
I smell great too.
Are you diabetic?
Huh?
Are you diabetic?
No, but probably borderline. When I was abstinent, I basically drank a 2 liter of Pepsi every day, and then I would drink a 2 liter of hot sugar tea, and my sugar levels would crash so hard I'd pass out. And then I found out it was life threatening. That's when I joined the fight team. That's legitimately why I got into MMA back in the day, is because I was like fat and I was abstinent. I'm like, I'm gonna make myself disgusting. No woman's ever gonna want to talk to me. And I didn't date or anything for like 7 years. I just made myself fat and ill.
Really?
And then when I basically almost died a couple times from my blood sugar levels, that's when I joined the fight team. And I thought, all right, and I started training like boxing, Muay Thai, jiu-jitsu, wrestling, everything like 2 to 3 times a day sometimes. And
eating and exercise. That's all. That's all. Eating and exercise. You do those two things, and overall, if you watch what you eat and you exercise, most people stay very healthy. I mean, obviously, you have genetics that play into it, and people have familial diseases, etc.
I've got ogre genes, man.
Well, yeah. The whole set. Hey, is anyone else in your family even near as tall as you?
My uncle Mike that passed away, like the whole reason I got into crypto.
Yeah.
He was 6'10". He was the second tallest in the family. Yeah.
Okay.
I think my shortest uncle was
into crypto.
Huh?
He said, "How'd you get into crypto?"
How'd your uncle get you into crypto?
The last night I saw him alive was at a campfire after 10 years of them trying to get me to go with him, and I kept telling him like I couldn't go. I was too busy. I finally go. And during the camp, he's like, I have an expanding aortic valve. I could drop dead at any moment, but I've been investing in dividend stocks. So if something happens to me, the dividends will take care of your aunt and your nephews or your cousins. And that was the last time I saw him. He dropped dead in China like a month or so later. And I was researching dividend stocks when I discovered ICOs and things like that on YouTube. And that's how I got into the whole thing to begin with.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So he didn't directly push you towards crypto. He just pushed you into the investment thesis.
Right. Yeah. He basically said, listen, you got to learn how to invest. And he was telling me, like, join the Motley Fool. He was a member of the Motley Fool newsletter. And he's like, I'll buy what they tell me to buy. I sell when they tell me to sell. And look at that price reversal.
Well, it's not even at what my entry was yet. So I'd still be down like $600, Dad. So your words don't affect me.
Not in danger of him catching up at this point. I know you closed the trades, but it was just that totally went against you. That just is.
Yeah, wow, that's
Wow, that's so funny. Because isn't this how it always happens?
Yes.
You're either winning or you're losing until you're done, and then it reverses.
Yeah, and then it reverses. I mean, obviously, I'm only on a 1 minute, but it's just starting to.
Yeah, man, you kicked my ass today. Like, it wasn't even close, bro. Bro, from the start, bro. If from the start you popped off, it's like you had a good.
That entry was everything. That entry was everything.
Mm-hmm.
When you have a good Monday, like, and if you're a salesman, like you don't want to complain about Mondays. You want to be happy about Mondays. Like, man, you always want to have a good Monday because it helps carry you through the rest of the week. And Crow had a good Monday today.
Yeah. You guys did fantastic. It was fun. I'm looking forward to Monday. So Crow, you are back into the group. So congrats, dude. You made it back, dude. And then Face.
You know how much money it cost me to have Face take a dive today?
I'm sure. I'm sure he's expensive. Trust me. I know he's expensive. How do you think I got him on the show between the two of us? Shit. Like, how much Face did he? You know what I'm saying? How much did he actually make today? Yeah.
What? I can't hear Crow. I can't hear what he's saying. He's like far from the microphone.
He said, "Do you know how much it cost me to make Face take a dive today?" And I said, "I know." I said, "Do you know how much it cost me to get him on the stream?" He actually made money today. He looks like he lost 3,500, but
funny jokes.
Well, I appreciate you, gents. I look forward to seeing you on Monday. Face, if you want to come in on Monday, obviously, that's always open. And
for sure.
We'll keep it rocking and rolling. Crypto fam, if you're not already subbed to the account, please do that. Follow Face, follow Crow. I'll be here again tomorrow, Monday through Friday, 1 o'clock. Trading Wars is on Monday and Thursday. Gentlemen, you got anything else before we sign off?
Crow your coins.
Good job, bro. Fuck. I mean, you were a motivational and inspirational person. I started making videos because I thought I could do a better job, like than you. Basically, not saying that I thought you were bad, but I used to go on such long tangents. I'm like, fuck, and this is like all on YouTube. I'm like when you're looking to I need to figure out how to change a fucking light bulb. It's like, hey, everybody's doing light bulbs, and my cat died last week, and fucking, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, I'm gonna make a video on YouTube. I'm gonna say, this is how you put a jelly up your ass. Here's the jelly. It's green jelly, and put it up your ass. Thank you. And that's how I became successful. And I owe it all to you. Now look at it pumping. I would have won the show.
Oh, it's moving back up.
People seem to like my rants. Right. Now, granted, it doesn't help my attention and videos.
Maybe be here Monday. Good job, Crow, man. Good shit, man.
Thank you, brother.
Congrats. Question everything. Trust nothing. Until next time, holla like it's hot. I'll see you gents soon.
See you guys.